My name is Ayush Vora. Currently, I am working as an internship in data science and business analyst as an intern at the Spark Foundation. Today, our topic is exploratory data analysis in the retail sector. Let me actually start the explain. So first, we can do first product. Our statement of the product is perform exploratory data analysis on data sets, samples, store. This task is about exploratory data analysis. Basically, we are using the ADA to find a retail sector and where task focus is a business manager. The we can do the import all the libraries. First, we import Panda as a PD, NuPy as a NP, import Seaborn as a SNS, and import from Matplotlib, import PYLT as a plot. Import warning, and after we use, we can import the data set. Basically, the data set we use data set in give the data set by df equal to pd dot read underscore csv sample store dot csv, because I am giving this features in only only for not give the URL, because I have all the files I'm saving in the same folder. You have give to URL, we used to URL folder. After we giving the data set, we use the df head and give first top 5 rows are coming. First is shipping mode, second is segment, country, city, state, postal code, and region. After we use tail, because we use tail because we are getting the bottom 5 top rows. After using the tails, we use the df dot shape because we find the how many shapes are there. Their output is 999, 4 and 13. After have to describe the data set, we have used a display summary because there I use df dot describe. After describing After describing the whole, the solution is coming. After describing, we use the null for null because we find out null values. How many null values are there? Because we use the null values df dot ins null dot sum. Ship mode is 0, segment is 0, country is 0. All the values are 0 in the null values. After null values, the type is the int 64. We find the information about dataset, which dataset we are using. So we use a df.info. After running the df.info, the dataset is coming. You can see the output. Their memory we use is 10115.1 plus KB. We after that we use the df equal to column. We can find how many columns we are used in this data set. Basically, first after running, there are the first data set is sheet modes, segment, country, city, state, postal code, profit, region, category, subcategory, sales, quantity, and discount, and all the D type is object. After we can have find the duplicated dot sum. There are 17 output is duplicated. After after we give the value df equal to n unique. There the value is coming. Ship mode is 4, segment is 3. After we find the postal codes and objects. So df postal code equal df postal code dot s type dot object. After df dot drop duplicate subset equal to none, keep equal to first, and in place is equal to true, and df dot duplicate is sum. After returning the code is 0, and we use the correlation. Correlation is equal to df equal to dot core. So we use this sns dot hitmap. Core and not equal to true, and camp equal to rates. You can see there is value is coming: sales, quantity, discount, profit, sales, quantity, discount, profit. You can see there value is giving. Sale is 0.48. After sale is 0.48 in the between the 0.02. You can easily find. You can see the diagonal also. After post, we have to drop. We have dropped the postal code because we have removed the postal code between them. We do the pair plot. We use a pair plot. We ship mode. How many are sitting are there? You can see there is a ship mode. There are some denoted. The blue ball is called second class. Orange ball is called standard class. Green ball is called first class, and red ball is called same day. And white is denoted ship mode. All the values are coming. You can see and you can see that share sales. In sales part, you can see that there is a high level is red. Here pair plot. Here all the balls are seeing in the quantity, find all the different kinds. After df equal to shift mode, we can find the value how many counts are there. So after finding, the standard class is coming 5955, second class is coming 1943, first class is 1557, same day equal to 542. After we running the command, we use the bar plot. We have shift mode bar plot. You can see that we run the bar plot. You can visualize the bar plot. Second class is almost 2000 counts. Standard class almost 5000 to 600 between. First class is almost 1000. Same day almost. After df equal to segment, the value counts with the hashtag value or counts for segment also. The consumer 5183, corporate 3015, home office, and it has since pair plot. Df equal to equal to segment plotting pair plot. We have used there is a plotting pair plot because we are using segment. You can see there is a consumer, corporate, and home office. We can differentiate between the consumer, corporate, home office. After SNS dot complex, the executable segment data called df, data called rainbow. After running, you can see there is a consumer goods, corporate segment, and home office. Which in the graph. After value the category in the value counts, we running the office supplies, furniture, and technology also. Count, use the category and plate is table. We use a graph plot. We can see that furniture, office supplies, technology. After we next category, we use next category we can use. You can see there is next category is furniture, office supplies, and technology. You can see there. Second is our subcategory. All the categories are between the subcategories. The first is DF subcategory and dot value counts we run. The first binder is coming, paper is coming for franchising, storage, fasteners is also coming. After running there, you can see that here below there is a pie chart. You can see there is a pie chart. All the subcategory levels are defined. Subcategory level is defined. You can see there is a binders, copper machines. You can see phones also. In the dark is the phone. After observation, maximum from binders and paper finishing, phone storage at a series, minimum from copier machine. So we run the df state dot value underscore counts. We use the California. You can see there is a differential. We can also use a pre-lt.figure. This figure size is 1521. SNS.count plot execute state data equal df and rocket order df and value count. After we are showing there is a value is coming. You can see there is a plot. You can see there is a measurement between the count and state. Observation 2, highest, we can observe the highest number of buyers from California and New York. So if we use the histogram, you can see there is a discount and profit also, and use quantity and sales also. After observation 3, how more customers tend to buy quantity, how many customers are buying. There we use a pie plot in the figure size is 10 net. You can see there is a west is 32%, south is 16, 23%, east is 28.5%. After we can find the profit versus discount. We use the scatter plot to verify the profit and discount. You can see there is a difference between sales and profit. You can see the graph. After since plot actual distance y equal to profit and level equal to profit df to less than dot show. You can see there is a profit between the graphs. After observation, there is no correlation between the profit and discount. Correlation, no relation. Since x equal to quantity, y equal to profit, level equal to profit, data equal to df. After running the legend group by segment PLT, you can see that the consumer, corporate, and home office segment after profit is it's the pink color and sales is the blue color. Observation 6, we have this. Our last observation is fifth observation is our profit and sales maximum in corporate segment in office and the PLT figure segment wise sales in each region. We can find we use the bar plot also. You can see there is bar plot is coming. You can see their values are coming west, east, central, south. They are different colors consumer, corporate, and home office. Observation 6 is segment wise sales. We can find the how many sales are there in profit and sales. To find the code and show, we use the plot graph. You can see there is just sales about last profit and loss are maximum in the west region and minimum in south region. Find almost find the find we find the west region how many maximum sales and minimum sales South Asian, how many DS equal to profit and sales are maximum base season and minimum in South Asian. DS equal to PS. After running the profit and loss, so you can see that the plot and the graph. Observation: it is high profit is for California and New York, and loss is for Texas. DA equals to TCS, and after that we run that DF equal to group by the DF will use the PLT dot show after showing profit and loss. And last observation 9 is we can have managed the weak areas. We can run the weak areas is we can see that the graph is their profit loss. I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.